course. So.
Yep. I'm starting recording and I'm going to share my screen now. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay, guys. Very importantly, okay? If you guys, I want to ask around, if you guys pay cash for staff amenities, say $110. I want you guys to tell me quickly what are the journal
Petty cash?
entries. Can someone please tell me now? What do you debit? Right? And what do you credit?
Debit, petty, credit. Debit, petty, cash, credit.
No, you paid cash for staff amenities. That's why, see, Chris, you are quite confused.
A little bit.
You have to sort this out first now. Kellen, you keep quiet, Kellen.
Yeah,
Paid cash for staff amenities, 110. What are the general journal entries?
Okay, Lucy, you keep quiet as well, please. Lucy?
you debit 110 and you credit 110.
But debit to where? Credit to where? That's my question.
Debit the bank account, cash.
Who said that?
Kate.
Wrong. You see, Kat, you paid cash, Kat.
So
But
you
where did
don't,
the cash come from?
you've paid cash for it, so all you do is credit the bank.
Yes, you credit the bank. That's one point taken. Okay, credit bank 110. Now my question is, where do you debit?
Well, the
Entry? No, not entry. Staff amenities.
petty cash.
No, Karen, you see, that is where you're wrong. You paid cash. This is an expense, guys.
Okay, so you
You get what I mean? This one is out. You cannot credit bank 110 and then debit petty cash. It doesn't make sense. You paid cash for staff amenities of $110. Where do you debit? Credit is correct.
your wallet.
So you see,
Your wallet.
you see, guys, I am correct in assuming that you guys are still confused about double entry itself.
Yeah.
If you guys are confused about double entry itself, and I'm trying very hard to position the whole class into doing the assessment tool, which is quite a bit more.
Can I just say something?
Yes,
Confusing people because I think most people take staff amenities as part of petty cash. So they're getting confused with petty cash. So if you change staff
okay,
amenities,
I'll just type it for motor vehicles fuel.
that's a better one.
Guys,
So that's the account in the chart of accounts.
no, I'm not talking about the assessment. I'm talking about a journal example. Don't refer to the assessment yet.
Oh, I'm not.
I don't know, Steve. No one else seems to be answering. Do you want to just sort of give us a bit of help?
No, I can't. I'll give you guys another 5 more minutes because I've explained this too many times already, Chris. And
I would have thought, yeah, I would have thought the amenities was petty cash and then motor vehicles.
No, because you guys
come
think
under
that petty
expense.
cash, right? Because you have been studying petty cash for a while, and then you guys know that staff amenities usually go to petty cash, but I'm just using that as a general example.
Yeah.
Okay? Any expense can hit the petty cash, guys.
Yeah.
All right?
So you debit the chart of accounts.
Debit which account? That is my question.
Expenses.
Yeah, which expense?
Motor vehicle
For
fuel.
motor vehicle fuel.
Okay, how much? Getting there, good? Huh?
110.
Wrong. You see?
Oh,
That's
100 and then
$100
10
and then
GST.
$10 GST.
excellent. That is what I'm looking for. Okay. So we debit motor vehicles $100. All right. We debit GST paid, right, guys?
Yeah.
$10. Right? Karen Jones?
Sorry, I had to cough.
Yeah. Are we clear now?
Yes,
Are we very, very clear now?
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. My next question.
Okay, so if it didn't have GST, it'd just be motor vehicle fuel, yeah? The whole amount of 110.
No, GST will always be there.
Yeah, but just for, say for argument's sake, it was something that didn't attract GST, like say fresh fruit.
Okay, then there will be no GST paid. Remember all these GST paid, guys? Remember I told you that this will be in the docket itself. And if you see a docket that says GST paid, that amount will quickly trigger in your head that thought process that I have to account for this GST in my journal ledger. Whenever you see an invoice saying that GST paid is how much, that GST will go to your GST paid account, and the balance, of course, will go to your expense account. Am I absolutely clear here, Karen?
Yes.
Okay, guys, good. Now, my next question, okay? You sell 1,100 on credit to customer A. What are the journal entries? Debit, credit,
Is this a service or an item? I'm assuming it's item.
on credit, right? No, it doesn't matter. Service. Let's just say it's a service.
It's a
Okay.
service.
What are the entries? Kellen, you keep quiet, okay, Kellen?
Debit. See, I get confused between debit and credit. That's my main problem. I got to stop thinking in terms of maths. Thinking.
Yeah, you have to get that. Like I said, I'm trying very hard to help you guys remember.
Yeah, what confuses me is what is it swapping? Like, like in one thing it means add and deduct, and then in the other it flips, and it just confuses me.
Okay, let's focus on trying to write this journal first. Okay, guys.
All right,
And I suggest you guys to write what we are discussing down now. Okay, where do we debit and where do we credit?
Okay, so you create. Well, you decrease inventory by.
Don't talk about inventory now. I'm just talking about the invoicing part first. All right.
Would it be that you debit the full amount and then you credit?
Yeah, debit where? Emma, debit where? You have to tell me debit where.
Would it be to your bank?
See, you're wrong again, you guys. I'm quite disappointed. All right, who else is with us? Emma, think. Where do we debit and where do we credit? You sell your invoice. Oh, okay. I don't want to put sell here. Okay. You invoice. All right. Who want to give it another try? Emma, thanks for trying, Emma. But then can you think again, please, Emma? We just went through this the last class, and I was showing you guys my PowerPoint.
I'm going to have a go. So debit bank,
Wrong.
Oh, is it accounts receivable?
Very good. Accounts receivable, customer A.
Hey,
Okay, where do we credit now?
Your bank.
Don't always think about bank, Karen Jones, please.
your debit
You
account.
invoice on credit.
Uh,
When you sell something, where do you credit, guys?
so your debit accounts receivable. The total the credit. I'm
Kellen, do you think
blanking.
I'm moving on the right track here, Kellen? Kellen?
Yeah, I,
But you don't tell the answer. Am I guiding them in the right track? As if you're looking it from your perspective.
I think taking out sale might confuse them a bit.
How? Okay, let them try. Let them try again, okay? Where do we credit, guys?
Sales?
Excellent. How
Oh,
much
bloody
credit?
hell. It took you saying that, Kayleen.
I thought it might.
Okay, how much do we debit accounts receivable, guys?
$1,000?
Wrong.
Don't you have to do like a separate one for the base price and the GST?
1100.
Yes, thank you, Leonie.
So confused.
And then sales is 1,000
Oh,
and
right, of
GST
course.
collected 100.
Who said that? Leonie.
Hey,
Thank you very much, Leonie.
GST collected.
Guys, are we good now? Can you see it now? Yeah? Okay, now. Assuming this customer has paid us already. Customer paid. Customer A paid, okay?
Yeah.
What are the entries? Jenny? Where do we debit and where do we credit? When customer A paid this amount. Is Kat still with us? Kat, are you there, Kat?
Do you credit accounts receivable?
Of course. Very good. You credit. Okay, let's start with the debit first, okay? Where do we debit?
The bank?
Excellent. How much, Chris?
The $1,000?
Wrong.
So it's the full amount of 1,100 then.
You cannot start guessing again, Chris, okay? Okay, where do we credit?
Of course it goes into the bank. It's fucking stupid. Sorry, I swore, didn't mean to.
This is recorded, Chris.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, where do we credit?
Oh, I just said it. Accounts receivable.
Yes,
And then you split it here.
customer A, okay? Very important, customer A, okay?
Yeah.
All right, I think I've tapped this a little bit so that it's not confusing. Okay. Okay, guys, I think this is clearer, okay? Now, are we all good here? Karen Jones. Karen Jones, I don't see you in the video now.
Yeah, it's all good.
Okay. Again, I have to emphasize this point again. Okay, Leonie, you were not in class yesterday, Leonie, the other day, okay? GST collected is only one, it only trigger one entry and that's it, okay? When you create the invoice. when a customer paid, there is no GST involved. All right, you debit the whole thing because you receive the amount straight away. Okay, what I'm saying is, right, if look at here, if you guys, right, I'm going to start annotating. If you guys are not sure, because this will knock this out, you see, this invoice and this invoice will clear. You see, 1,001 match, clear, zero, becomes zero. Okay, are we clear here? And then GST collected is only at one point in time, no, nothing else. Okay, guys, that's one point in time when the invoice is being created. All right, do I make sense, Leonie?
Yippee.
Yippee, cool. Karen Johns, are you with us, Karen Johns?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Cool. Do you have any question?
No,
Okay, Lucy, you're good, yeah, Lucy?
Yep.
Cool, thanks. All right, now, we have to do another one for on AP, okay? Purchase 1,000, I would say 550, easy, okay? On credit from supplier A. What are the entries?
Accounts payable.
Hang on, don't be so fast. Okay, where do we debit and where do we credit?
Accounts payable would be debit.
No, you're wrong again, Chris.
I don't get this. Yeah, no.
When you purchase something on credit, okay, what does that mean?
So
Where do you debit and where do you credit, guys?
purchase $500. Debit inventory?
Yup.
Yeah.
And then
Then is it credit accounts payable?
debit inventory, how much?
500.
Excellent, Chris, you're getting there. And then where else? Debit again?
GST paid
Excellent,
$50.
excellent. This is what I'm trying to get to you guys, okay? Okay, and now we credit. Where do we credit?
Accounts payable.
Excellent. Accounts payable, supplier A. Okay? How much do we credit, Chris?
550.
Excellent. Okay. Now, when we pay supplier A 550 as full settlement of this invoice. Okay? What are the entries? Where do we debit and where do we credit? Look at this initial, this is your first entry, okay?
Yeah.
This is when you initiated, when you put this invoice into your accounts payable system. Okay? Now you are paying this invoice.
So would it be accounts payable and bank?
Yes. Where do we debit?
Accounts payable.
Very good. See, Chris, I am tuning your mind to think.
I'm getting there.
Yes, exactly. This is what I have. This is why I have to make sure that you guys understand. Then we credit bank, right?
Yeah.
550. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Again, point of interest. You see, GST is only here. And when you pay, there is no GST. All right? GST only happens at one point in time. All right? When I say GST only happens at one point in time, it happens when you issue an invoice to a customer or you receive an invoice from a customer.
Yeah.
When you receive money from the customer or you pay money to a supplier, there is no GST. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
Cool. Are we good here?
Yappy.
Yappy? Leonie?
Yappy.
Okay, Lucy?
Yep.
Kellen?
Yep.
Who else is here with us? Kelly, Lucy, Karen. Karen?
Yeah.
Karen, show your video, Karen. Thank you. Are you good?
Yep.
I know it's Monday, all right?
Getting there.
Okay, guys. Now,
Is that this?
does anyone have a total for the trial balance already?
Are we doing part B or part A? Because I'm only on part A.
Because if you don't have your part A, you can have your part B. Am I not right, Chris?
Yeah, I've only got part A. This is part B, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. No, I'm just curious. Because if you guys have your trial balance correctly done, right, then it will be perfect. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
So anyone has trial balance done already? Please.
I don't know if it's right, but I've done it.
Okay, cool. What are your debits and credits total?
186388.
Well done. I'm a happier person now. Okay? Who else has got that numbers? 186388.
I'm not even up to that.
Lucy?
Nah, I'm not up to that yet either.
Chris? Not
Not
yet.
up to it.
Okay, Emma? Emma?
I'm not up to that either.
Leonie, no. Karen, have you got up to that, Karen?
No.
Okay, guys. Do you want me to explain transaction by transaction? Because if I do that, right? Okay, I can't go through what I said is I can't I can't give you the answers, but
Yep.
you guys feel free to contribute, okay?
Yep.
Okay, guys, do I make sense?
I believe so.
Yeah, because if I tell you the answer, they will be cheating already.
Makes sense.
Yeah? Lucy?
Sounds good.
Okay. 4th of January, you guys take this down, okay? Please take this down. Cash purchases from catering supplies, including GST. What are the entries, please?
Did you say cash purchases from catering supplies into the what?
Number
I'm not-
one. What would be your journals? Even though it's not required, I would suggest you guys write down the journals and then start posting to the journal ledger Excel template. Okay. What this question failed to do is they have not asked you guys to write down the journals themselves, because with the journals themselves, right, then you guys would then be very comfortable that, oh, both sides of your journals agree, debit and credit, so you should start posting to the Excel template. Okay, so 4th of January, transaction 1. Come on, let's do question 1 and question 2. What are the journal entries, please? Where do you debit and where do you credit?
Sorry, Stephen, I'm not going to be able to answer any of this or participate because I'm still doing part A. I haven't even looked at part B yet.
This is
So-
part A, right? Chris?
No, yeah, that's part B.
Or part B?
What you're on, if I'm correct, looking at the screen.
Oh,
you
I'm sorry,
changed
I'm
it.
sorry,
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
No. You've changed it now to part B. No, you were confusing me before. So yeah, no, you're right. Sorry, I messed up. This is right. Yeah.
No. Part A is commencement of business. This is the opening trial balance. Okay. This part is quite straightforward.
Yeah.
Do you know how to get that part, Chris?
Yeah.
How much have you got?
The totals or for the capital's 10,000.
Do they add up?
Sorry, what was that?
Do they add up? Both sides,
Yeah.
debit and credit?
Both sides, both sides add up. I've figured it. Oh God, now I've got to find the one I've actually filled. 139,450. debit.
Because
100.
the question was, right, the reason was because we have already discussed this in class last week.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
What did you have for capital?
100. What? 10,000 for capital, right?
Do you think that is correct?
Yeah.
I don't think that is correct. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, what is the total debits have you got here?
Oh, 20,000. Sorry, not 10,000.
Excellent. Okay, so we move on to
Sorry.
question B now. Okay, so question part A is a very straightforward one. Okay, question part B is what I'm concerned about. Okay, now
Did I say
these
10,000?
are the debits equals to credit here. Okay, guys, and then commence with the following assets and liabilities. These are the opening balances which you should have already put into your journal ledger template. Do that make sense? Yeah. So for example here, 13,000 debit should already be sitting down here. Where is the template now? Yeah. Sorry, let me just pull it up again. I'm going to stop sharing for a while. Let me pull up the template. Okay, guys, I'm going to start sharing screen again. All right, guys, can you see the example here? Opening balance 13,000 is here.
Yep.
All right, this is what it means. Okay, all these numbers here should be opening balances. Okay, guys, have you guys done all that already?
Yeah. Is the date the 1st of January for all of them?
Yes, opening balances is always 1st of January. Okay.
Okay.
I heard Chris talking about this just now, and I was just keeping myself quiet. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's always 1st of January. Okay. Opening balances is always 1st of January, guys.
Okay.
First thing you have to do, you have figured out how much is this capital, right? And then slot all this correctly. And then you must remember in your Excel spreadsheet, right? You must always remember this bit here, okay? Write down in debit or credit so that when you add up all the debits less the credit will be your balance as at 31st of January. Okay, guys? Cool?
Yeah.
All right. So you guys, the first thing you have to do, slot down all these opening balances here respectively, okay? All right, now we continue. Okay, 4th of January, what are the entries, please? We have discussed this already this morning.
So
Where do we debit and where do we credit?
so I don't know if this is right or not, but what I've done,
Yeah, good. I
I've
mean,
done,
we are, like I said, we are all learning, Lucy. Do not even think about whether you're right or wrong. We are all trying, okay?
okay. So for the 4th of January, I've just wrote in particulars catering supplies.
Where do you debit? Yes.
Debit 1,600
Continue.
and then GST 160, and then you credit
GST what? GST what? GST paid or GST collected?
collected,
Nope. This is the
Paid.
purchase. Okay?
GST paid.
Remember, when you pay for something, you always debit GST paid, yeah?
Okay.
Now, that will be your first journal, all right? Guys, have you guys written that down?
And then do you bank them to?
No,
No?
wrong. Oh, sorry, you're right. My apologies. Give me 1 second first, hang on, yeah? I just want to make sure there's a GST paid account.
Okay.
On the general ledger,
Yep.
Excel file,
Mhm.
there is.
There should be. I'm
This
just trying to.
information's going into Q1 GL and TB, right?
Yep.
On the tab.
Question one. That is question one, Chris.
And the previous information has to be entered as well, correct?
That will be your opening balances. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What is that? Correct. So where do you credit, Lucy? I want the exact name of the account. You see there is a folio here? There is a folio here inside our account. Where do we credit?
Cash at bank.
Yes. Who said that?
Me.
And who is me?
Leonie.
Oh, come on.
Who else?
Okay, guys. All right. This is what I like about this class. Okay. Cash at bank 100. Okay. Folio is 100, guys. So you should have 1760 credit. Okay, guys. Write down, even though it's not required the question, write down this is journal 1 for 4th of January. Okay, guys?
Wait, I'm just confused. Is this in general journal?
Journals are the entries where you debit and where you credit. And you pass from your journal ledger to your Excel template, yeah?
Yeah, I'm just on the Excel template now. Question one, general journal, or are we question one, general ledger?
Is there a journal?
Okay.
No, there's no journal.
What?
There is on the Excel template, there is a general journal
Where?
straight
Oh, it's
after
general ledger.
Q1A and April transactions.
Sorry, guys.
General ledger, not general journal.
Yeah, there's no general journal. That's what confused me because I haven't done a general journal, but it's
That's right.
do a general journal.
Mm.
So
I'm confused. I've got the general journal in
I'm
Excel.
glad we are sorting this out. Seriously, I'm glad we are sorting this out, okay? Like I said, because I cannot see any journal at all in the template, all you guys will just have to innovate here by making life easier for you guys, okay?
Do you want me to share my screen just in case I'm talking about the wrong thing? Because I've got the
Yeah.
general, it's right there.
Yeah.
that
me
one.
too.
I've got down on the tabs, click. the
Oh, yeah,
three dots.
it's here.
It's right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
where?
See down the bottom on your Excel where it says Q1 GJ and all that.
Yeah.
There'll be three
The
little
first
dots to
sheet,
the left.
Caroline.
Press them.
Yeah, the first sheet. Yeah, you guys have to write all this down, yeah?
Hang on, let's-
Okay, so we're writing this in that.
Uh-huh. This one will
Including
be
the
the
previous
opening balances, okay, guys?
Oh, this is
I
so
have not
confusing.
got that on my sheet. That
It
is,
will be the first tab before Q1, GL, and TB.
There's three little dots down the bottom on either side of the different tabs.
Towards your
Left hand side,
left.
the three little
Towards your
dots,
left.
and that'll move it across, and it should be right there.
Sorry, Chris, I stand apologize.
Sorry, Chris, that was not showing up on my,
Excel.
yeah.
Oh,
Can you find it now?
Yeah, I can find it now that he said that.
Yeah, cool.
or the very bottom left, there's arrows. If you have them,
Yep.
that moves it left and right too.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So there are in total, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kelly, can you find it now?
Yep, I found it now. Thank you.
Cool. So number one will be, you see here is already put down $100 here.
That's the
Sorry,
folio
100 folio. My apologies. You debit 13,000. It's just a transcription of what you have there
Yeah.
in the part.
Yeah. So
Okay.
we have to put that information in as well. Yeah.
That will be your opening balances, or else your account will not balance, Chris.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying in the general journal, like that all goes in there.
Yes, this will be your journal number 1.
Yeah.
And then this will be your journal number 2. Okay? Cool. So we covered 4th of January already. Yeah? Okay. 5th of January.
Sold prepackaged food for cash. Alright, so
What do I do for that?
$5,500 sold. So you debit
Okay, so pre-packaged food for cash.
bank. You always
Okay, where do we debit and where do we credit?
you sold. I think you credit the
Leonie, you want to give it a go, Leonie?
bank. No, see that's
Yeah, debit cash at bank
Very good. How much?
for the full amount.
Cool. And then where do you credit?
Yep,
Where do you credit?
yep.
Karen, what are you talking? Where do you credit?
prepackaged food.
You
I'm looking, I'm looking,
Stock.
I'm looking, I'm looking.
It'd be stock, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
No, 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 no. When you receive money, normally when you sell
Oh,
something,
sales for 5,000 and GST collected for 500.
oh, brilliant. You see, this
Yes.
morning, don't you think this morning session was very, very useful, Leonie?
Absolutely.
Do I get
Rum
some
and raisin
popcorn?
on its way.
Hmm?
Rum and raisin on its way again.
Okay, cool. Now, that will be your second entry, okay? Your third entry is cash receipts for delivery fees of 1078. So where do we credit and where do we debit? Again, it's a cash receipt, guys. Where do we debit? Leonie, can I ask you again, please?
I'm still writing the previous one. Hang on. Okay,
Okay.
so it's what?
5th of January cash receipts for delivery fees, 1078.
Well, obviously it's cash at bank, your debit.
Yes,
and
excellent.
78. I haven't worked out the GST on the delivery fees, that's all.
Okay, how much would be the GST fee? Where do you credit when you debit? That will be your third journal, yeah, guys?
Yeah, okay, so you credit delivery fees.
Which is account.
Hey, what?
What accounts is that?
410.
410, yeah?
410, yeah, I haven't figured that out, but I know the GST collected is 98. I've just got to
Yep.
work out the other.
100% of 98 is?
What?
98 times 10 is?
980.
Good. Excellent. So
No,
this one-
no. You've got to take 98 from 1,078.
Yes. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. I'm saying 98 times 10 is how much? I'm working the opposite way. Okay. Now, where do we credit the 980, Leonie?
Oh, okay, I get what you're saying. All right. Credit delivery fees.
Which is
Folio
account
number
cost.
410 delivery fees
Very good.
of
Excellent.
980 and GST collected of 98.
GST collected. Yes. Okay. Now, excellent. Okay. 6th of January. That will be your journal 3. Yeah. 1, 2. That one is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your journal 4. Sorry, guys. Then now we are talking about 6th of January. There will be 1, 2, 3. 3 journals again. Opening balance is journal 1, 4th of January, journal 2, 5th of January, journal 3, journal 4. Okay. Now we talk about 6th of January, guys. So prepackaged food on credit. Again, where do we debit and where do we credit? When you sell something on credit, right? Where does this go to?
Accounts payable, accounts receivable.
So which code is that?
Sorry,
110.
what was that?
Accounts payable, what is the folio number?
110.
Thank you, Karen. Karen, please make sure you write all this down, yeah, Karen, all the journals.
I am.
I am not giving you guys the answer, you get what I mean? I am guiding you guys as we go along. Am I very clear here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay? Now, You wait, where do you debit again? Sorry, accounts receivable, you are saying, right? 110. How much do we debit?
5,600.
You are wrong again.
Oh,
Hey, sorry. You are the, no. You are wrong again. I'm right. Because when you remember when you, the Word document we look at just now, okay, I'm going to stop annotating. Guys, bear with me, okay? You see here? Lucy, how much should we debit accounts receivable?
The whole lot,
Excellent. How much is a whole lot, Karen Johns?
6,160.
Very good. That is what I want to know. Karen, you are there, okay? Karen, don't feel bad about yourself, okay, Karen? Karen,
Yeah, that's fine.
okay? That is what makes me happy. Okay, guys. So when we debit accounts receivable 2106160, yeah? Where do we credit? We are selling something here now.
400
400, which is
sales.
okay. How much do we credit sales, Karen? Give it a go, Karen.
The whole lot.
No,
No,
you have to exclude the GST.
yeah. I don't have a calculator with me.
So use your phone. 6160 divided by 11 is how much?
$560.
Excellent. That is your GST amount, okay? And which account does this go to? You collect something.
GST collected.
Very good. Okay. So how much should go to your sales then?
5,600.
Excellent. See, you guys are moving there. You guys are getting the G's now, okay? Now.
So sorry, the sales are in credit.
Sales is always in credit, Lucy. Lucy?
Yeah.
Remember dealer, D-E-A-L-E-R. Can you guys remember that equation? Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
You cut dealer into half. D-E-A is debit, L-E-R is credit. Yeah? Now, Lucy, are you okay now, Lucy?
Yeah. I think I got it right, but I just did it backwards.
Okay. Don't do it backwards, okay? Or else your trial balance will be messed up.
Yeah.
Okay, now, okay, thank you, Karen. We got this one already. Now, cash purchases from Farm Get Fresh. Again, this is purchases. Where do we debit and where do we credit, guys? No GST, yeah, guys? Leonie, this is your question, Leonie. No GST, all right?
Yes, I get it. Thank you.
Excellent. Okay, where do we debit and where do we credit? This is 6th of January, part 2.
Okay, so we debit bank, cash at bank for 3,600.
No, wrong. Leonie, you're speaking too fast. You buy something.
Oh, okay.
Purchases.
Credit bank for 3,600
And then when you debit?
and debit purchases folio number 500 for the same for
Excellent.
3,600.
Okay, good. I'm very happy now. Kelly Fish, I'm very happy now, Kelly.
Repeat that.
Karen Johns,
Yes.
you can't imagine the warmth and the joy I feel in my heart right now. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
You see, I was thinking over the whole weekend how to guide you guys through. And that was the first approach I used using the Word document. And then you guys will be so comfortable doing it. You get what I mean, Karen?
Yeah.
Are you with me now, Karen?
Sorry?
Are you with me now?
Yeah.
Okay, so that, okay, guys, okay, now. Pet wages, $2,000. This is easy, no GST. Remember, I was telling you guys, wages do not have GST at all, okay?
Wait, sorry, Steve. What was that last one?
This one.
Cash purchases from
Oh.
Farmgate Fresh.
Leonie, do you want to repeat, Leonie?
Sorry.
That's okay. So you credit folio number 100, which is your cash at bank for 3,600.
Yep.
And then you debit purchases, which is folio number 500 for 3,600.
Okay, guys, remember when you are writing down your journals, yeah, always start with the debit side first. Remember?
Yeah.
Okay, always start with the debit side first. Okay, guys?
So just to clarify,
Mm-hmm.
sales, is any money spent? Wait, I'm sorry, I'm trying to figure out how to word this question.
Sell. You go to buy a coffee. The coffee shop is selling you. You are buying. You are a customer. They are the seller.
That's a credit, right?
Sales is always credit.
Yep.
All right.
And then any sort of money, any money you make is a debit, right?
Any money you paid is a debit, Chris.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me sort this out clearly once and for all. All expenses are debit. All revenue are credit.
Right. Dealer. I got to remember dealer. Dealer.
Okay.
Yep.
Now,
Hey, Chris, just look at your bank statement. Have a look.
Sorry?
That's how I use it. I usually just compare it to a bank statement, basically. You know, your outgoings are on the left and your
okay.
incomes are on the right.
yes. Thank you, Leonie. Whatever is
Okay.
in your bank statement is the opposite of what you are going to put through. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 6th of January, paid wages. Come on, guys. We do not have a lot of time. Whoever has a response, quickly speak up so that we can move along faster. Paid wages, 2,000, no GST. Come on. Where do we debit? Where do we credit? Again, no GST, yeah?
You debit 600.
No, sorry, Karen.
The folio number is 600.
Oh, 600, okay. Cool, let me quickly go to the folder, 600, cool. How much we debit by, Karen?
You take it.
The total, all right? Now, where do we credit?
Cash at bank.
Excellent, which is folio 100, yeah? So we have done 4th, 5th, 6th already. Okay, now, 10th of January, receive payment from debtors, Georgines. Okay, what did I tell you guys about receive money? There is no GST involved, okay? Right, so where do we debit and where do we credit? Karen, you want to give it a go, Karen?
No, I'm trying to write this down, sorry.
Okay, who else have done 10th of January?
Sales.
This one is very, very straightforward, Chris. We have gone through it already
Yeah.
this morning. You received payment from debtor Georgines, which was the invoice
Accounts
that you
receivable.
created on the 6th of January.
Yeah. So it's accounts. Obviously, it's
Where do you debit? You receive payment. You receive money. Where do you debit?
110.
No, that is, where do you debit first, Karen?
cash at bank.
Yes. Don't even doubt, Chris. Come on, you are getting there.
Yeah.
Okay, you debit. What folio is that?
100.
Okay, how much you debit?
This,
Right? No swearing. Full amount is?
the 6160.
Yes. And then where do you credit?
It's accounts receivable. No.
You receive money from a debtor. Where do you credit?
accounts receivable.
Yes.
that is
Excellent.
right.
How much do you credit?
The total amount, isn't it?
Yes. Excellent. Chris, you're getting there. So don't doubt yourself. Okay, Chris?
That's easier said than done. I got a good 20 odd years of experience in that.
I got more than that.
Okay, now we've done all this now, 11th of January. let's finish all of this and then we have our lunch, okay? 11th of
Okay.
January. Lin and Doug contributed furniture from home value. And there should be a comma here, okay? From home, valued at 3,005, no GST, memo 1. Okay, what do we do here? This one is a bit tricky, but I want you guys to give it a shot, okay?
Is that credit for furniture and fittings?
No, you are contributing assets to the business.
Contributing assets to the.
Mm.
Oh,
Alright.
so wait, so is that being contributed to us or a we?
To
Is
the
that being
business.
given to? It's being given to the business, correct?
Yes.
So that would be that does go under furniture and fittings, though, correct?
Yes. How much is that?
It would be the total amount,
Which is?
3,500.
Which goes to folio number?
174.
Excellent. Okay. So now, when you see this is something of, okay, I want, before I even say that, okay, where do you credit, guys? Karen, you want to give it a go, Karen? Karen, I am tuning your mind, Karen, okay? So that you will think like me. Where do we credit, guys?
300, folio 300 capital.
Excellent. Leonie, I wish
What
I
was
can
that?
give you a high five now. High five on the screen, Leonie.
Capital.
Yeah, just did.
Okay?
Is
Are
that
you
because
guys-
we?
Folio number was 300 and
Yes.
you're increasing your capital because you're contributing to the business. So you're contributing to your equity. Got it?
Which is
Yes.
3,500 because you haven't purchased it. It's been donated. You haven't actually paid anything for it.
We don't call it donated, Chris. We call it contributed.
Contributed. Sorry. Yeah. Because it's an increase in, it is an asset, but it's also increasing capital because it's being contributed. You haven't purchased it.
Yes.
So you
Okay,
haven't
guys.
spent anything. Okay.
We are going to question 19 and 27 now. Okay. But during lunch break, guys, I want you guys, everyone, to populate your Excel spreadsheet with all these journals, okay? Make sure you guys come out with that amount that Kellen Fish mentioned just now, okay, guys? Okay, now, 19th of January. This is purchase equipment from Creditor Smith & Co. for 40700, including GST. Okay? Paid 10,000 in cash and the remainder was on credit. So how much was on credit? Guys, okay, now, we tackle this one by one. Lucy, I know you are big. Lucy, that's why I like to see your body language. Okay. 40,700, how much is the GST, guys? Divide by 11.
4,000. Where's my calculator?
3,700.
Excellent. That is your GST. So where do we debit and where do we credit, Leonie? Leonie, you are getting there, Leonie. I'm very happy because you were not in class last week, Leonie.
Oh, I was doing.
So do
So-
you credit cash at bank $10,000?
Yes, that is part one. Okay. And then wait, okay. You
Then-
debit cash at bank, $10,000. Yes. And where do you debit for this $10,000?
Wait, sorry, can you say that again? I think you said debit twice. So wait, you debit 10,000 or credit 10,000 to begin with?
You tell me.
Because if it's a purchase,
No,
yeah,
because you paid something, right?
paid, right? Yeah, so debit.
Huh?
No, I said, wait, I am so confused right now.
When you pay something, it's always credit, Chris.
So it's
Chris, write this
I'm
down.
trying to remember the dealer acronym in my head, so
Mm.
I'm getting confused.
When you pay something, it decrease your bank, right?
Accounts payable.
Okay, accounts payable, how much do we credit?
So it's credit.
Let's do this one at a time, okay? Chris was mentioning $10,000, okay?
Credit
so-
$10,000.
Karen, do you want to help Chris out here? Where do we credit the cash $10,000 from?
Cash at bank.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you credit cash at bank $10,000, right?
Yeah.
Karen?
Yeah,
Okay, where do you debit now?
Furniture. Wait, equipment.
And what is equipment?
166.
Huh?
So you would debit credit. Yeah, catering equipment, right?
Yep.
166 for $10,000.
I don't think there is a. Hey, let's go back to the Excel template, okay? Do not be confused with the what is that? With the folio number, okay?
40,700.
You will see here what is catering number.
Is 166.
Yeah, it's
would you do it as 280 because he's the creditor?
Yep. All right, 166, correct. Sorry, Karen, hang on, yeah. Hold the thought. I'm just referring back. Okay, now you debit. How much do you debit 166? Chris?
The
You paid 10,000, so you debit how much?
10,000.
Excellent. So you debit 166 catering equipment, $10,000. So how much is on credit now?
The remainder, which would be 30,700.
Are you sure, Chris?
Oh, minus the
No.
what?
Yep.
Yeah, wouldn't it?
Yep.
The
Continue.
30,700, right?
3,730. I calculate again. I think you speak it too fast. 4,0700 GST is
3,700.
okay. Minus 3,700 is
1,000.
okay. How much is the balance that is on credit?
Mm, 27? Can't remember. Give me a second. Is it 27,000?
That goes to
Is it accounts payable?
no 27,000 goes to
Oh, creditor? Smith and Co.
no. Hang on. One thing at a time. Okay.
If the rest is uncredited, it'd be under accounts payable, correct?
So okay, we have debited catering equipment $10,000 and credit bank $10,000. Yeah.
Yeah.
How much is the balance after that? 40 minus 10,000 is
30,700.
yes. Where do we credit this?
Accounts payable?
Excellent. And where do we debit?
Creditor? Smith and Co.
That is where you. Sorry. Let me just. Okay, you were saying 3,700, right? 3,700. Where do we credit again?
That would be GST paid. Yeah.
GST collected.
No. You are buying something, Karen. When you buy something, it's always GST paid. All right. Expenses and purchases all go to GST paid. Okay. Now let's sort this out again, again. Okay. 4,700 less 10,000 paid. How much have we got?
30,700.
So where does this 30,700 goes to?
Accounts payable.
Excellent. Okay. And accounts payable is which folio for this particular creditor?
210. Oh, for this particular creditor, 280.
Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. Now, so we credit 3,700 to 280. Where do we debit that?
So,
Remember, you are paying
purchases.
something, huh?
Purchases?
No, this is buying what? What did he say? Purchase what?
Oh, equipment.
Yes. So where do we debit to?
Catering equipment.
Which is folio
166.
number?
166.
So how much do we debit this amount? Remember the GST involved?
Yeah. So, 2,700.
Chris?
20.
No,
27
Chris, hold that thought.
Wait,
No, I don't want you to say wait because you're doubting yourself again.
yeah.
Okay, how much is it together?
Is it including the GST?
No, 4,700, right?
So it'd be 27,000.
Yes, but then your 10,000, there is a,
Sorry, what was that, Stephen?
okay, you were saying, okay, let's work it out like this, okay? I think it's easier this way, okay? So 4,700,
Mm-hmm.
how much is the GST that should be in GST paid?
3,700.
Correct, all right? So this is 3,700, yeah,
Yeah.
guys? And where should we credit this amount to?
GST pay.
No, this is GST paid 13,000, okay, debit,
Oh, are you talking about?
yeah?
Yeah.
And where do we credit this to?
Anybody else want to jump in? Yeah, I feel like I've been talking for ages. So the remainder, so the 10. Are we talking about the 10,000 now? Yeah, I keep getting lost because we're going backwards and
Because
jumping.
you want to break it up, so I'm consolidating the journal entry for you guys, okay? So
Okay.
where do we credit here? $10,000.
$10,000 goes to, oh man,
The 166 catering equipment.
there we go. Thank you, Liam.
So that, how much is that, Leonie? 166, okay? How much is that? How would that be? You debit 166 as well. How much is that?
10,000.
Am I not right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay? Now, where do we credit 10,000 from?
Cash
Which is account number?
100.
Excellent. All right. So 30700, where does this go to?
GS.
Don't always think of GST. There's only one GST.
Sorry, I keep getting confused. You mean the $30,700, correct?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you did it just now.
Yeah.
Which folio is that?
Creditor.
Which
280.
is 280. Okay, excellent. You see, all this adds up to 4,700, yeah? So your journal is correct. Any question, Karen? Are we okay with this, Karen?
Yeah.
Okay. Last one, the easiest one. 27 January, paid cash for fuel, 308 include GST. Where do we debit? Where do we credit?
Cash at bank.
Yes, you credit cash at bank. How much?
308, the whole amount.
Yes. Where do we debit?
Fuel 725.
How much do you debit for?
Minus the GST.
Chris, you're getting there. Chris, I'm very happy.
Oh, hold up, sorry.
Expenses are always without GST, okay? 308 divided by 11.
Yeah, so 308 minus that. So, Jesus.
You guys have to get a calculator.
280.
How much?
280.
Okay, good. Okay, I'm going to stop. I'm going to clear all the drawings now. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing now. Everyone good?
Getting there.